Okay, group 1.
Asan yung tugtog?
Ang ingay kasi. Wala namang speaker.
Group 1, what's your theme?
Futuristic.
Futuristic. So,
Futuristic.
how'd you come up with the concept?
We use Google.
Sabi mo na explanation.
Group 2? Finish na 1? Okay, group 2.
Water kasi isa. Kasi hindi na ba?
What's your theme? Crazy?
What's your theme?
Crazy.
Hiraman?
Water talaga. Sharing.
Okay, last group 3. Group 3. Wonderful action! Situhin mo na lang pag malalaglag.
Nilalaglag group.
Kaya nga ba na exposure mo?
Okay na, ina.
Okay.
Wala.
Group 3, what's your theme?
Vintage Victoria's Secret.